What's up YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're actually on the way to get the new Redeye tinted. Right now it's fishbowl. As you can see, no tint at all in this thing, but we're going to get it tinted right now. It's like 93 degrees out, so super hot, super nice day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow for like the next 4 days in a row. So I wanted to try and get the tint out of the way, especially because I've been dying with the fishbowl look. You guys know my last two cars, well, my last car and my truck still are bombed out, right? I had 5% on my car with I think 20 on the windshield for that one. And then my truck has 30 on the windshield with 20 over 15, I think I did. I'm used to tint in all my vehicles, and with this one being a fishbowl, it's time to make that end. We got to get some tint on this thing. So I'm on the way there right now. It's not that far of a drive, but I definitely am going to pull over at some point and show you guys what the car looks like, you know, so we can do a before and after. For now, I'm just going to enjoy this drive, and I'll pick back up the camera when I stop to show you guys the car. All right guys, so real quick, here's what the car looks like with absolutely no tint on it. This thing looks sick. It's so aggressive. I'm loving it so far, but it's got no tint. Check it out. You can't have a car like this and have no tint. I'm sorry, but yeah, this is what the car is looking like. Sorry for all the crazy noise. I probably should have picked a better location to stop at to show you guys the car, but I'm kind of in a rush right now, and this is the best I got. So yeah, I'm just going to continue on with this drive, get to the tint shop. If I can record at all of them doing the car, I definitely will do that. Otherwise, we'll just see what this car looks like after it's bombed out with some tint. All right guys, so these are the percentages here. We ended up going 35 windshield, and we did 15 on the sides. The car's in there right now. I think they're probably working on making the cutout for each different window, but yeah, can't wait to see what the car looks like when it's done. So I ended up going 35 windshield, 15 sides, just because when I go to the track and stuff, if it's nighttime, I want to still be able to see outside without having to roll my windows down. That's a huge problem that I have on my truck. So I'm gonna go a little bit lighter this time. I think with the nice ceramic tint, it's still gonna look good, but we are gonna go 15 on the side. So you'll be able to see a little bit of a silhouette. It won't be pitch black, but that's fine. Kind of over the super dark tint. I hate not being able to see. And 15 on the sides is still gonna look good. So super excited to see how the car turns out. Sitting here waiting for it now. They kind of just started, so it'll probably be an hour or two. But I'll pick up the camera again, show you guys the car when it's done. Just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of backstory and tell you what I'm getting done. What's up guys? It's like 2 days later right now. I never got a chance to show you guys what the car looks like with the fresh tint, because right when they were done, you know, tinting my car, I had to leave because I was trying to beat the rain to get home. I didn't end up beating the rain. I got caught in the thunderstorm. It was really bad. I literally thought I was gonna have to pull over, but I ended up being able to get home. I just drove super, super slow. Yeah, I wasn't able to get any pictures of the car. It's super filthy right now, but let me go ahead and show you guys what the new tint. All right guys, so new tint, looking super clean. Definitely needed it. The car is filthy right now, but as you can see, we got 35 on the front, 15 on the sides all the way around. I really like the way this car looks with the tint, especially because everything else is blacked out and now the windows are too. I really can't even tell, like I used to have 5 on my other car and this has 15. You can just barely see in there, which is fine for me because if you take a look from the inside, it's super clear. I know that the clarity is part of the ceramic, but my old car was so dark when you would look to the right on the 5% on my old Challenger. Again, that tint came on the car, so I don't know who did it. The guy that did my windshield, he said that the tint that was on there was 5%, but I don't really know. The previous owner did it, but with this tint, I can clearly tell so much more clear. Already having drove it at night, you know, it's a night and day difference between my old tint and this tint. So super happy with it. I still can't put my windows down yet. I love the way that this looks with the tint. I guess you could say first mod down. People say tint's not a mod, but I'm gonna call it a mod. Gonna definitely detail it. It's actually my girlfriend's birthday tonight, so we're probably gonna go out, get some dinner, We want to get the car cleaned up. But yeah, this is what she's looking like right now. Definitely more mods on the way. Dang, this thing is so clean. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the new tint on the car. I think it looks sick. Let me know down in the comments. Would you have went darker? Would you have went lighter? I feel like this is the perfect balance for me, especially because I'm going to be taking the car to the track. And if I'm racing at night, I definitely want to be able to see out of my side windows. So that's kind of why I went with the 15. And I don't want to have to put them down to the back up and everything like I have to do with the truck. I hate doing that. So yeah, this is what we got. Definitely stay tuned for more videos. I got some crazy mods coming for the Redeye. And yeah, it's really just crazy to say that I have a Redeye. It still hasn't hit me yet, and I've had the car for over a week. That's probably gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy your Memorial Day holiday. If you see this video before then, you know, happy Memorial Day. If you don't, then happy Memorial Day anyway. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll talk to you guys soon.